Want to fix Roblox Error Code 267. This video will show you the simple tricks to get back into the fun. Let's dive in. First things first, Error Code 267 usually means you've been kicked from an experience, often due to an unfair game advantage, hacking, a script detecting suspicious activity, or a temporary network issue. Now, the easiest fix is to restart Roblox on your PC or mobile device. Close the Roblox app completely and then reopen it. A full system reboot can also clear any lingering software conflicts. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause disconnections that the game might misinterpret as suspicious activity. Try restarting your router and modem. You'll also want to check for any third-party software or extensions that might be interfering with Roblox. This includes auto-clickers, macros, game enhancers, or even some browser extensions. Disable or uninstall them. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Roblox sometimes flags IP addresses associated with VPNs, which could lead to kicks. Finally, if the issue persists, the ban might be legitimate due to detected violations. In such cases, you should contact Roblox support to appeal the ban, explaining your situation. Avoid creating new accounts to bypass bans, as this can lead to permanent account termination. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Roblox tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.